Hello, Prince.
Oh.
Stop it there. So, how are you, dear?
I am fine.
How was your day?
Good.
Okay, great. 1 minute, dear. Okay, so see, dear, in today's class, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about DOM. Okay, so first, Prince, can you please tell me like what we have done in the previous class?
Functions.
Okay, we have done functions
Harry and
and the activities.
Harry
Hmm?
and functions in JavaScript. One more activity.
Correct.
One more activity we do. But I
Functions and arrays we have done, dear. Okay.
no 3 activities we done. Call stack.
Hmm. Correct. Now, tell me, Prince, have you completed the after class project?
No.
Why, dear?
I will complete today.
Okay. Okay. Please complete it. Once done, please let me know in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let me share my screen, dear. Please tell me if it's visible or not. Okay. And go to full screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay. Are you on full screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now, dear, what we have to do is over here we have to see what is DOM. Okay. DOM stands for Document Object Model. Okay. So why do we use this? Okay, when a web page or a browser is, when you're making websites, automatically your browser makes a document of your website, which is the document object model of the page, and it defines the standards for accessing the documents. Okay. DOM is a platform and language neutral interface that allow programs and sprites to dynamically access and update the content. So with the help of DOM, we can update our content because it makes a document of our website, okay, automatically when we load it or run it. So with the HTML, DOM JS can access and change elements of an HTML element. Now, what is DOM structure? According to DOM, everything in an HTML document is a node. Okay, means a DOM follows a node and tree kind of a structure. Now, what is node and tree? Nodes are basically the, you can say, childrens. Okay, and there are one parent. Okay, so parent having childrens. Now, what are parent and childrens? Okay, so first comes root element. For example, if you're doing a coding, okay, where you have to simply display one paragraph, one heading, and one title. Okay, this is your program. So what it made a document, and this it starts with HTML. So HTML is our parent because everything that we code will be under HTML. Then our code will be divided in two parts. You can see it follows a tree structure. Okay, first part is the heading tag. In the heading we have title. Second part is in body, and in the body we have two elements, which is a heading, okay, as well as a paragraph. Okay, so all nodes in HTML can be accessed, modified, or deleted, or new nodes can be created in JavaScript. So when we are running it on our HTML web page, like this DOM kind of structure is made of your program. Okay, tree kind of a structure. The term parent, child, siblings are used to describe the hierarchical structure of the tree. For example, the parent will be your HTML, okay, because from HTML only everything starts, okay, and from there only everything is divided. Okay. The HTML will not have parent, but it has two children. One is the heading and one is the body. Heading has one children, which is title, and title has one children, which is my title. Now body has two children. One is H1 and one is the paragraph. And the H1 node has one children, which says my heading output, and the paragraph node has also one children, which says my paragraph. Okay. The script tag is used to define JavaScript. The script element can either contain script element. The script element can either contain script statements or it can be a point of external script. So we can use JavaScript in two types. Right now we are using everything JavaScript in our web page coding only, but we can also make a separate file and use it. Okay. So any doubt here in this?
No.
Now, dear, please read it once. Okay, and then we'll move forward.
Okay, done.
Okay, I'll just scroll down.
Okay, I'm done.
Done, dear.
Yes.
Now, Prince, see what we have to do is 1 minute. You can see my screen, na?
Yes.
Okay. First program we'll do in this activity, we'll learn how to access the content by JavaScript. So this is you can say like a pop-up kind of activity in which a alert comes on the screen like this. Okay, and in the alert we have written my first heading is welcome. Okay, so see first what we have to do, we have to make a H1 ID one in which we have written welcome. Okay, after that dear we have made the paragraph tag. In the paragraph tag we have written this is a welcome message. Okay, after that we have made a second heading tag in which we have written technology, and then again paragraph, this is technology section. Now this section is all up to you what you want to write. Okay, it's not necessary to write anything. Okay, just this side issue is important. Okay, so you have to write but you can write your own content. Okay, then we have called JavaScript. In the JavaScript, we have made a variable text. Okay. Now, basically, this text variable is responsible for showing you the alert on top of the screen. And the alert inside the alert box, it is going to show you my first heading is variable text document element get element one dot inner HTML element, where we have given my alert. Alert is used basically for showing the alert. Document dot get element is used to get the output on our HTML web page plus text. Then what we have done, we have closed the script body and HTML tag. Okay. Any doubt, Prince? Anything you didn't understood? The alert part you understood?
Yes. But why we put the two paragraphs? Technology section and welcome message.
two paragraphs, dear, it's up to you. Okay, if you want, just make one paragraph big. Okay, that
Okay.
is not necessary.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. You can start sharing.
Okay, dear, share your screen.
Finish.
Checking dear. Why the pop-up didn't came? Did it came or not? Click on refresh and click on go live. See, now it is coming. Now dear, submit the project. Done dear. Okay. You can come back dear and stop sharing. The first activity you have done, okay? Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Go to full screen dear.
Yes, I will fill the screen.
Now we are going to use JavaScript as an external file, okay? Means we are going to not use JavaScript inside HTML. We'll be making an external file for it, okay? So first here, what we are going to do is we are going to add a body and in the paragraph we are going to write adding JavaScript as an separate file. Then we have to add a button. In the button, we have to write the my function. This my function will be the same function that we'll be making in the JavaScript file, okay? Click me. That is when the click me is written inside the button. Okay. When the click me is clicked, my function will be recalled, and in that we are going to find the square root of a number. What is square root? 2 square 2 or 3 square. You might have studied this in math.
No.
4. You didn't study square roots in math, dear.
Yes, yes, yes.
And this is what is the answer of this.
Uh,
What is the answer of 3 square?
9.
Correct. Okay. That's what we were talking about. And then there, what we are going to do is we have to find the square root. So here we have given the number 4. What is the square root of 4?
Square root of 4.
16.
16.
Okay. It doesn't take that much time. Okay. Hmm. Got it there? So
Yes.
first what you do, Prince, and you have to call the source of JavaScript file. JavaScript file will be named as script.js. Okay. And the same source will be called over here to link the file with our HTML file. Okay. So first, Prince, you do this much, dear. Okay. Then we'll do the remaining.
Ma'am, the script.js already I made a file with name of script.js. It will be not come.
Script.js you've already made, then make one file as name some other file, okay? For example, demo.js, okay? Then here also write demo.js, okay? Inside the double inverted
Demo.js
commas.
also we used.
Demo.js we didn't made, na?
Made first introduction of the JS.
Then you can make it as external file.js, okay?
Okay.
And here also write external file.js. Got it, dear?
Yes.
Huh? रख दे वहाँ.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Your screen, dear.
Huh?
Share your screen. Done, dear?
Yes.
Come back and stop sharing. Is my screen visible, dear?
Yes.
See the JavaScript code, dear. Nothing is done. Just A multiplied by A is done to find the cube root. Okay.
Okay. Done.
Done, dear.
Yes. I'm done.
Checking, dear. 1 minute. Prince is giving you error.
Oh, yes.
You didn't close the bracket, dear. Click on the button and check.
No.
1 minute, okay? Go over there in your HTML coding. Dear, here also you have to write the same file name, na? Script src equal to, you have given the wrong location. What was that file name? Separate.js.
I forget.
Now
Yes.
check. Come on, submit the project. Second activity. Done, dear?
Yes.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Now we have to see about real-time form validation. What is real-time form validation? It means that validating your form, if the user has entered in the email their name, okay? For example, you have entered Prince instead of your email ID, it is going to give you error, okay? Your password should be at least of 8 characters, okay? If it's of 7 characters, it will give you error, okay? Then if you didn't fill any of these fields and click on login button, then also it will give you error. So that is called as validation, not entering a correct email. Then the age also we have put a validation that the age must be 12 or 50. Okay, between this range only. If it's greater than 50 or less than 12, then also it will give you error. So we have made a function called as valid. This is done in JavaScript. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
You have to make a JavaScript file for this. Okay, function validate. we have passed the parameter inside the function e dot prevent default. Now why we are using this e? This e will be used for validating. Okay. First we have made a constant email and written document dot get element by id email to show the email on the HTML web page. Then we have made a function pass. In the past, we have shown document.get element by ID password. Okay, password short form is pass. Then we have made a function age, and then the last is message box. Message box is to show the message box like this. Okay, in front of email, password, and age. Okay. Then we have made one let message. Now we have studied about let in the previous class also. Do you remember, Prince? What is let?
Let.
Yes.
No.
Any idea? No? So let is basically a keyword in which the variables is declared, okay, with a block scope. Means the variable have their own scope. Now if you use the variable in the let message variable, the message variable will be used inside this parameter only.
Okay.
Outside the function, it will not be called. Okay, so that means they have a scope of where to use. They have restrictions of where to use. Now, if email ID is equal to blank, three times equal to you have to put. We have to show in the message that enter an email, and the message box will become red color. Now, if password equal to blank, we are going to again write a message as enter a password, and the message box will become blank. If the age is equal to blank, then again same thing. Okay, else now here we are using if else conditions to check all the condition. Else what we are going to do? We are going to write down a message as login successful, and we are going to write it in green color. Okay, message style will be green like this. Okay, login successful. Any doubt dear?
No.
Any doubt, Prince?
No. Ma'am,
Okay.
we are not using the HTML.
First you do this part dear of JavaScript. Okay,
Okay.
to the validation part. How much you will do? See
Mm,
this part now you can copy paste, okay? The if part because you can see the validation is same. Yeah,
okay.
empty, 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 okay?
Okay.
And we have to make one we have to make one HTML page also for this, okay? This is the JavaScript part. HTML page will be made different, okay? For showing the text and the text input. So first do till here, then if we have time, we can make the HTML page. गाड़ी में इसलिए ना रखना खाऊ खाऊ सामने डुबाओ ना वहीं रखा पानी के साथ
Yes, ma'am, you can stop.
Okay, dear, share your screen. Prince, in the let part, dear, there is not 3 times equal to, there is only 1 equal to. See, you're getting error over there. There is only 1 equal to. Hmm. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Done, dear.
Yes.
Now, please submit this project. The remaining we'll do in the next class, dear. Okay?
Okay.
Done, dear? Now, Prince, revise dear what we have learned in today's class.
Today's class we learn how to separate a file and DOM, and, and we made a login page,
Hmm?
and
What else?
yeah, that's much.
Login page, then JavaScript page, then how to make a JavaScript external file. That also we have learned. Okay. Now, dear, do the exercise, and then I'll tell you the after class project.
Yes, done.
Okay, now, dear, in the after class project, you have to make an external file like JavaScript and perform addition and subtraction. Okay.
Separate file.
What is the external JavaScript file? Okay.
Okay.
Any doubts?
No.
Okay, then see you in the next class, dear. Please fill the feedback form after you leave the class. Okay. Bye.
Bye. माफी घोषणा हमें भी आई अब तक ट्यूशन क्लास खत्म हमें इतनी जल्दी आई आज लेट भी आई है अली